Ever wonder how to make her crave you, think about you nonstop, and desire you on a deeper level? It's not about looks or money, it's about psychology. Women are drawn to emotions, mystery, and confidence. Master this, and she won't be able to resist you. Let's dive in. Confidence is the foundation of attraction. Women are drawn to men who exude self-assurance, not arrogance, but genuine confidence that comes from self-acceptance and a sense of purpose. When a man knows his value and doesn't seek validation, he becomes infinitely more attractive. Desperation is the fastest way to repel interest, while certainty and self-sufficiency create intrigue. A woman wants to feel like she's stepping into a life that's already full, not filling a void. That's why personal growth, ambition, and self-respect are non-negotiable. A man who invests in himself naturally becomes someone women want to be around. Mystery fuels desire. Women are captivated by men who don't lay everything out immediately. When a woman has to wonder what you're thinking, what your next move will be, or how much you truly like her, she remains engaged. Predictability kills excitement. Instead of bombarding her with constant attention, create space for curiosity. Keep conversations dynamic, leaving certain things unsaid so she's eager to know more. A simple phrase like, "You're not what I expected," plants a seed of intrigue. She'll start wondering what you mean, analyzing every interaction, and unconsciously investing in the connection. Emotional impact determines long-term attraction. Women don't fall for words alone. They fall for how a man makes them feel. A man who triggers excitement, laughter, challenge, and even a little tension is far more compelling than one who only provides comfort. Attraction isn't built on logic. It's an emotional process. A great interaction moves through different emotional states: lightheartedness, intrigue, depth, and even moments of playful disagreement. This emotional variety keeps a woman engaged and creates an experience she wants to return to. Being nice isn't enough. She needs to feel a range of emotions when she's around you. Scarcity increases value. When something is too available, it loses appeal. A man who makes himself the center of a woman's world too soon becomes less desirable. By maintaining a life filled with purpose, friendships, and interests, he signals that his attention is something to be earned, not given freely. A woman should feel that being with you is an opportunity, not a guarantee. This doesn't mean playing games. It means maintaining your priorities and ensuring that a relationship adds to your life rather than becoming your entire focus. The man who is selective, rather than needy, naturally holds more value. Social proof enhances attraction. Women are highly influenced by the opinions of others. A man who is well-liked, respected, and valued by his peers automatically becomes more desirable. When a woman sees others enjoy your company, trust you, and seek your presence, she subconsciously assigns higher value to you. This is why being socially engaged, whether through friendships, work, or hobbies, boosts attraction. A man who interacts comfortably with others, especially other women, triggers a competitive instinct. If she perceives that other women are interested in you, it reinforces your desirability. Physical presence communicates more than words. Eye contact, body language, and the way a man carries himself determine the impression he makes. A confident gaze, relaxed posture, and measured movements signal self-assurance. Rushing, fidgeting, or avoiding eye contact suggests insecurity. The way a man enters a room, takes up space, and owns his presence creates an energy that people respond to. Attraction often begins before a word is spoken, shaped by how a man presents himself physically. Challenge amplifies desire. When something comes too easily, it isn't valued. Women are wired to respond to a man who presents a challenge, not through manipulation, but by being someone who expects high standards in return. When a woman has to invest effort, whether by engaging in meaningful conversation, proving her worth, or winning over his attention, she values the connection more. A man who sets expectations and maintains boundaries earns more respect and attraction than one who constantly accommodates. Attraction isn't about tricks or tactics, it's about embodying qualities that naturally draw others in. The more a man understands himself, builds his value, and engages with the world confidently, the more women will be drawn to him without effort.